Turkey.
Hi from the Bahamas. We're trying to do plans for today, but I think today we will go to Arawaki. So it's a famous place for people who come here with cruise. We want to taste corn salad. Did you taste before corn salad?
Yeah, I just taste and I didn't eat all. I just taste one spoon.
I'm almost here 1 year and I didn't taste before corn salad. So we will see if I like, because I am not a person who like to eat too much seafood. So, but we will see.
Let's go.
Hi.
Yeah, get some fresh coconut water here.
You want? Yeah, we can try.
Yeah, well, only one.
$5.
Can take one?
Yes, sir.
Can-
See the pressure there? All that is showing you it's fresh.
See.
Yeah.
It is not too sweet.
Cool, nice and clean inside. The food is good. Locals love it. You guys gonna love it.
So where is it? Here?
Right here. I
Right.
like the Lord.
Good, thank you.
Alright, see you guys soon.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
$10. Okay. So now we will try corn salad.
So she's trying first time. I tried before, but I want to taste again. They don't cook the corn. I'm not sure if I should
So
eat
it's
it.
alive.
Alive, yeah. I want to see it first.
I don't like corn salad. I mean, because I don't like seafood. And this
I
is
don't like the how it looks.
your face.
The corn doesn't taste different. Like it is like normal salad with tomato, some lemon, pepper. But it's not too different.
Definitivamente a mí no me gusta con salad.
Good también.
This
It's like
is
$17.
$17.
But they don't have any small cup, so the smallest cup is this one.
So what would you do now? Because it's almost.
So we can save this for future, or later we can eat.
Vamos.
Vamos.
Your mom.
Which one? Which one?
That's nice.
How much is this?
20, 1 for 20, 2 for 30, 3 for 40.
Oh,
This is
Oh.
coconut.
Yes.
And what is the other?
And this is native straw, like this here. This is called silver top. It lasts for many years.
Oh.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you get one of them. They're very, very creative and very striking.
I'm done. Okay. Hey, y'all got our problems.
What's your name?
Captain Ashley.
Hello. I'm waiting for our lunch for 1 hour. Finally.
Finally.
It is comforted.
Con fritters.
Fritters.
3.
Me gusta.
Cheers.
We came here to visit every sport.
But this is our first time, so we will see what can I find here.
I think fort was here, but it was small and it wasn't like these, these buildings. I think there are some stores. I heard about that. You can see the stores now.
Oh, but
So-
it is not open now, the stores, right?
I'm not sure, maybe it's open.
Okay, we will see.
I think they will leave soon, the cruise.
Estamos a 31 grados ahorita. Está quemando. Miren mi sudor. So, este es el puerto de Bahamas. Es nuevo, creo que se inauguró hace un mes, junio. Ahora está abierto para que cualquier persona venga aquí y pueda pasear, caminar, ver las tiendas. Parece que hay muchas tiendas. Es la primera vez que estamos aquí, así que vamos a ver qué podemos encontrar.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Like Turkey.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe it is Turkish because, you know, Turkish company did this cruise port. Maybe they did something like that. How much?
29.
29? I think for here it is cheap. And another one here. It is obviously Turkish, but babe, we got that. It's Turkish.
Yeah.
I want this. Obviously, we saw that in Istanbul.
Yeah.
We have this in first video, our first YouTube video.
Yeah.
Kuşadası, Bodrum, Turkey. Like I think half of this is Turkish. I
Yeah.
think most of these things are Turkish. Me gusta. You need to say something.
Esta tienda se llama la Bahamas Print. Es muy famosa acá en Bahamas. Sus diseños son locales. Pueden ver, así que vamos.
You can try. Okay.
We can do this, right? We are nervous. We are going to dive into the sculpture.
With the sharks.